Tired of juggling multiple wallets? Let's consolidate and import your Bullx wallet straight into the Phantom wallet for seamless Solana transactions. First, open your Bullx wallet on your mobile device and locate the settings menu. It's usually represented by a gear or 3 dots. Tap on it. Now, you'll need to find either your recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase, or your private key. These are the keys to your Bullx wallet in the settings menu. Select the option to reveal either your recovery phrase or private key. Remember, never share this information with anyone. You'll likely need to authenticate with your password, PIN, or biometric scan to view it. Once revealed, carefully write down or copy your recovery phrase or private key. Double-check every word or character. Next, open the Phantom Wallet app on your phone. If you already have a Phantom Wallet, you can select the Add Connect Wallet option on the main screen. If you're setting up Phantom for the first time, the Import option will be presented during setup. Now, select the option to import recovery phrase. If you are using that seed phrase, if previously selected your private key, you can select the option to import private key. You can be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to create a strong password. Now, carefully enter the recovery phrase words, one by one, in the correct order, or paste your private key. Ensure there are no typos or extra spaces. This step is crucial for a successful import. And that's it. Your Bullx wallet is now imported into Phantom. You can now manage your Solana assets from one convenient place. Please note that you might wish to transfer your assets manually. Enjoy the seamless Solana experience.